can you be a modern Gandhi, my people?
Oh my god.
Give me the mic so I can take it away.
Hey, you got a request. What do you want?
I feel like I've seen the band, but I haven't heard the band.
Nah.
Go! Go on, boys, play us a tune.
Nah. I got one more task.
What's your task?
My task is to stick it in.
Stick it in.
We'll let you get
You're
on.
asking me to help you stick it in, Michael? Okay.
Please.
Do you want me to help you? Okay. I've been dying to do and I said to Leonie.
That